Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you want to change or update the email address on your Roblox account, this video will help you step by step. Updating your email is important because it helps keep your account secure and makes account recovery easier. First, open Roblox on your phone, PC, or laptop. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now, tap on the gear icon. You will find it at the top right corner. This will open the Settings menu. From here, tap on Settings. Now you will be inside Account Settings. Look for the Email section. You will see your current email address there. Next to the email, tap on the Edit icon. Now enter your new email address carefully. Make sure the email is correct and active. After entering the new email, confirm the change. Roblox will now send a verification email to your new email address. Open your email inbox. Find the message from Roblox. Tap on the verification link inside that email. Once you verify the email, your Roblox account email will be updated successfully. You are now done. If you do not see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Also make sure you are logged into the correct Roblox account. That is how you can change your Roblox account email easily. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.